Today my topic how to use insulator. I used to, an insulator uses a material effective to note electricity and heavy heat material as well. Meaning inhabitates the flow of electrons of thermal energy. Insulator are used to prevent the transfer electrically current or heat between object or environment. Common example of insulator include rubber, plastic, glass, ceramic, and wood. In electrical applications, insulator are used to protect conductor from conducting, used to protect a conductor from connecting which either or from connecting conductive surface. They are also used to cover wires and cables to prevent electrical shocks. Identify the area where insulated is needed, such as electrical wires or thermal piping. For thermal piping, select the appropriate type of insulating material based on a specific required of the applications considered. The applicator considered factors such as temperature, voltage, and environment conditions. मम्मा ओ मम्मा मैं सोने लगा हूँ तो मिल्क शेक बना दो, मैं सो जाऊँ बना पी के। पीना है स्मीर। Applying and secure the insulator in place using appropriate partners or adhesive necessary. Regularly inspect the insulation for any signs of damage. It was needed to maintain its effectiveness. Using insulator correctly helps to ensure the safety and efficiency of electrical and thermal system of preventing unwanted energy transfer and minimize the risk of accident or damage. Regularly applying the insulating material to desired area, ensuring that is completely coverage and protect the circuit from electrically current or heat transfer. Secure the insulator in place using appropriate partners or the way is necessary. Regularly inspect the insulations. Applying the identify areas where insulation is needed. Where is needed, such as electrical wire or thermal piping. Thermal piping select the appropriate typing of insulated material based on a specific required of the application considering environmental conditions. Applying the insulating material to the desired area, ensuring this completely ensuring from this an area exhibitions current of heat transfer. Secure the insulator in place using appropriate partners and advices is necessary. Regularity and another data of this raw and application of these adjectives using insulator activity and the appearance of relevance, but all made in standard to be good for this emissions and the factor of damage and minimize from this damage and isolated from these areas that is as needed to samples needed to samples of actions and the factual for these areas. This area practical damage and how to use particles damage, how to work in damage and the ability of frequency, but all made in standard to be good for this elimination of prevent of this cause from conductive procedure protect are this used to rubber, glass, glassing and ceramic from this area and ability of elegance a charge ability to protect maximum product and the use to fill and productive is exactly from this another of these charges. charges of the set number of the storage pipe.